This is All India Radio, Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Arundhati Paul. India yesterday launched the much-awaited world's largest COVID-19 vaccination program. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the program through video conferencing. He said the largest vaccination campaign of the world is based on very human principles and those exposed to maximum risk get priority. He said India is expressing its gratitude to frontline corona warriors by giving them priority in vaccination. The Prime Minister said India's fight against COVID-19 has been one of self-confidence and self-reliance. The Prime Minister stressed that this type of large-scale vaccination campaign has never been run before in history. Modi pointed out that India is vaccinating 3 crore people in the first phase. He praised those scientists who had been involved in making the vaccine against corona for the past several months. Along with the rest in the country, COVID-19 vaccine drive kicked off in Meghalaya yesterday with Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma making his presence at NEIGRIHMS, which is one of the vaccination sites. Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma termed the nationwide rollout of the COVID-19 vaccine as a historic and proud moment for every citizen of the country and said that the launch of the vaccine in the country was a positive step in the year-long fight against the virus. Addressing the media during his visit to NEIGRIHMS Hospital in Shillong, the Chief Minister urged the people not to let their guard down against the virus and follow all necessary COVID protocols to contain the spread of the disease. Mizoram joined the nation in launching the COVID-19 vaccination drive yesterday with the medical staff in Aizawl district becoming the first person in the state to receive the jab. The State Health Minister Dr. R. Lal Thangliana launched the state vaccination drive at the Aizawl Civil Hospital. Lalman Pui, aged 44, a medical staff of Aizawl Civil Hospital, was administered the jab at the launching site at Aizawl Civil Hospital right after Prime Minister Narendra Modi addressed the nation on the occasion. On the occasion, Health Minister Dr. Lal Thangliana appealed to all that though the vaccination drive has been launched, still caution needs to be taken, masks should be worn while maintaining social distance. State Immunization Officer Dr. Lalzaumi informed that 100 beneficiaries were given vaccines at each site. NEIGRIHMS Director P. Bhattacharya and Medical Superintendent Subomoi Chakraborty, along with nurses and sanitation workers, were the first few to take the COVID-19 vaccination yesterday. Charles Stinsukni was the first one to take the vaccination shot, said that he is not feeling anything different as he have been waiting for a long time to get the vaccine. Meanwhile, NEIGRIHMS Director P. Bhattacharya, who was the third one from the institute to get the vaccination shot, said that he, along with the medical superintendent of the institute, took the vaccination to send a message to the society that the vaccine is safe and is for protection. All in all, 100 health workers were given the first shots of vaccine in the institute on Saturday. Sikkim joined the rest of the nation in launching the COVID-19 vaccination program. Chief Minister P.S. Tamang and Health Minister Dr. N. K. Sharma were present at STNM Hospital near Gangtok during the launch. The vaccination drive simultaneously also began at District Hospital, Gyalsing, West Sikkim. All India Radio correspondent reports on the first day, 140 health care workers have been registered for inoculation at the 2 COVID-19 vaccination centers in Sikkim. Speaking after the launch, Chief Minister P.S. Tamang said that the vaccination program is a great example of Atmanirbhar Bharat envisioned by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, as both the vaccines are manufactured in India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to hand over land patta to indigenous landless people on the 23rd of this month at an event at Sivsagar in Assam. Participating in an All India Radio talk show, Commissioner Secretary in the Revenue Department M.S. Manivanan said that the Assam government will give land pattas to 1,03,000 people within this month. He said that Prime Minister will start the distribution process at Sivsagar. Manivanan said that the Assam government has already provided land pattas to over 1 lakh people recently, and Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal took the decision to provide land pattas to another over 1 lakh people this month. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio, Shillong. Have a nice day.